All right, you make an appointment and you're waiting for somebody to come by the house. And they don't tell you what time they're going to show up. They tell you, I don't know, it's going to be a 4 hour window. It could be a while
Ugh,
and no one wants to wait. Same goes for
no.
ED. Guys, I know you don't want to talk about it. I know it just seems like such an ego check, but the fact is, a lot of guys deal with it a lot more than you might think. And if you don't want to have to take the pill and sit there and wait for it to kick in, well, you're going to want to talk to our next guest.
That's right, because that pill has side effects, Sean, and we want to
Mm.
do it the healthy way. Andrew Reinhardt is here. He's a medical tech with Boost Medical Center right here in the Valley. Andrew, welcome to the show. And yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about, the side effects of these pills that people have been taking for years to treat ED.
Yes, the side effects are brutal. A guy taking the pill can tell you all about the headaches, the blurred vision, and the lack of spontaneity. That 4 hour window, I love that. Our treatments at Boost Medical Clinic are called acoustic wave therapy. Now, they open up and regrow blood vessels. As far as I know, it is the only thing that addresses the root cause problem. So you don't have to be dependent on the pill or the injections, heaven forbid. This is a natural treatment. We know that erectile dysfunction is a blood flow issue or
Mhm.
lack of blood flow. This is clinically shown to improve circulation, open up and regrow blood vessels. That's called neovascularization, by the way, medical term. So we are seeing that guys get the natural function back like it was in their younger years.
Absolutely operating the way it should, which is obviously what we all should strive to do. Spontaneity being the most important one of all. I mean, there's no more of a mood killer like, oh, we're doing this. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me get a glass of water, go in the other room, and we'll just wait here for 20 minutes until. Now, the fact that it can just work the way it's supposed to work is fantastic. Why do you think it is, though, that guys end up dragging their heels to get something done?
Well, erectile dysfunction is so tied to being a man and our sense of self worth. So
Yeah.
we're in denial. We don't want anybody to know we have erectile dysfunction. We don't want to go into the clinic and get it treated. Now, I hate to say this, but ED does not fix itself.
Mm.
If I worked at the urgent care, people would come in, they'd be sick, but they would heal and get better. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, if you don't do something about it, it doesn't get better. So you take a guy that doesn't want to get it treated, the problem gets worse and it wreaks havoc on the relationship. The average duration of treatments for our patients is 2 weeks. That's pretty quick.
Mm.
2 weeks from now, you could be back to normal.
Wow,
Throw those pills away.
awesome.
Awesome. Yeah. So let's talk about this treatment, which you say is really quite revolutionary. I mean, it's kind of, the next era of treating ED. What kind of studies have been done on this treatment, and can men, trust that this is safe?
Yeah, this is a proven, effective, and safe treatment. You can go to the science page at boostmedicalclinic.com, but I'll tell you that Cambridge has now studied it. Therapeutic Advances in Urology have published a clinical study. The American Urological Association, just to name a few, and there's about 25 clinical studies. This is proven to improve blood flow, reverse erectile dysfunction, and restore spontaneity. The bottom line, we want to get the blood flow going where we want it, when we want it. The science is sound. And last thing I'll say, it's an FDA registered device as of 2011. So we're using the most advanced form of technology.
Absolutely. And it's also worth noting that you're not going to find a scalpel there. This is not a surgery,
Oof.
which is like, oh, God, I've had nightmares. No, nothing like that.
Nothing like that. This is totally non invasive. You'll go into some clinics that use needles and it looks like they're about to change a tire with what the setup they've got in there. This is non invasive. Looks like an ultrasound machine placed on top of the skin, just delivers those gentle pressure waves.
That's it.
I tell you, the tire analogy. Thanks for that, Andrew. No, it is not a tire. It is your body. Listen, as a woman, I fully sympathize. We as women know about taking care of this area. So, yeah, we want things to be gentle and safe, which they are, Andrew. You have a special offer for everybody watching today.
We do. If you are struggling with ED or your man is struggling, call us now. There's so much value in this. We're going to do the initial assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound, totally free, plus a little special gift that produces instant results in the bedroom. We're making it as easy as possible. All of it is free to those that pick up the phone and call now.
Awesome, Andrew. It's great having you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks for having me.
All right, listen, Boost Medical Clinic. Enough is enough. Get the ball rolling. You've been waiting too
Just
long.
take care of
Listen, you got to get this thing going. 2020, we're going to turn it around. Call Boost Medical Clinic at 702-710-5000 or go to boostmedicalclinic.com. Boost Medical Clinic, a proud sponsor of The Morning Blend.